Hi everybody, boys and girls. Today's lesson is lesson 15.1, which is the two-dimensional shapes. So we are taking 15.1. We started a new chapter, a new lesson. So the lesson for today is dimensional shapes, and the objective for this lesson is to recognize shapes by how they look. So we will see how the shapes looks, and we will tell which one of the shape is this. And we have the pages for the lesson is 859, 860, 861, and 862. We might divide the lesson into two days. It depends on how we are going. So the vocabulary for today's lesson is the vertices and the quadrilateral and the pentagons and hexagon. What are these letters? So let's take one by one. So the vertices is this. When you look at this shape, so you look here, there is a sharp edges here. So this is what we call vertices. So one of them is vertex and plural is vertices. So the sharp edges when all each two sides are meeting. So this side is meeting this side in a sharp edge here called vertex. So these three are vertices. And now we have quadrilateral. So this is how it looks like, and it has four sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it has also four vertices. So here look, one sharp edge, another one here, and one here. So four sides and four vertices. And then we have the pentagon, and pentagons has 5 sides. So it looks like this shape is, we call it pentagon. So one, count with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, and they have also 5 vertices because each two sides meet in one vertex. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertices. And then we have also the hexagon, and the hexagon has looks like this. So this shape is a hexagon, and it has 6 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sided and also 6 vertices. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the shapes we are talking about on this lesson today. So with me, all open page 859, and they want us to draw some closed plane shapes that have 3 vertices. So 3 vertices, that means 3-sided. And then write the name for one of your shapes. Is this name correct for all the shapes you made? So if I have this shape, so this is one side, another side, and a third one. They said 3 shapes, and this is one vertex, another one, and the third one. And also I can do this shape also has 3 sides. If you look here, so 3 sides and 3 vertex. Or you can do this way, so upside down. So this also 3 sides and 3 vertices. So what we call this shape, boys and girls, you know that. So this shape is a triangle. So this is a triangle, this is a triangle, and this is a triangle. So these are the name of the shapes I made by 3 sides. So the 3-side shape always called triangles. So turn the page with me, boys and girls. You will see lots of shapes here, and the page is 860. 860. So let's do this shape together. So let's learn about this. So you all know this shape with the 3 sides and 3 vertices called triangles. So called triangles. So 3 sides and 3 vertices called triangles. And if you look down here, so this has more than 3, this is more than 3, this is even not a closed one but also more than 3. So we call this is not triangles. These are not triangles. Triangles has 3 sides. And let's see the quadrilateral. So this one is 4 side. This is 4 side. This is 4 side, 4 side, and 4 sides. And also, all these shapes has 4 vertices. Here, when the 2 sides meet, there is a sharp edge which is the vertex. So all 4 shapes has 4 vertices and 4 sides and 4 vertices. We call them the quadrilateral. So these are not. You look at this one, has more than 4. This has 3, so less than 4. And this has more than 4. Then this is not quadrilateral. So let's go see these pentagons. So here we have 5 sides. Here 5 sides. 5 sides. Even they have different sizes, but they all has 5 sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So different sizes, but still 5 side and 5 vertices. Then we call it pentagon. So pentagons has 5 sides and 5 vertices. So if you look at this one, it does not have 5 side. And this is not, and this is also not. This has less than 5. So they are not pentagons. So look at this one. So this is a hexagons. So the hexagon shape has how many sides we said? It has 6 sides. So this 6 side, and this also has a 6 side with 6 vertices, 6 vertices. And this also 6 sides and 6 vertices. And here, look at this one also. So 6 vertices and 6 sides. So they are all hexagons. And these has less than 6, then or more than 6, then these are not hexagons. So the hexagon has 6 sides and 6 verticals. So now when we look at any shape, we can tell what name of this shape by the number of the sides and the number of its vertices. So let's go and see number 1, and they said match each shape to its name. So if you look at this one, it has 4 sides, and we already said that the quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Then we can match this with this. So you can connect them. And then look at this one. It has 6 sides and 6 vertices. And we already said that the 6 side and 6 vertices is the hexagon. Then we will find the hexagon here, and we will connect this one with this shape. So this is the hexagon. And if you look at this one, it has 5 sides and 5 vertices. And the one that has 5 sides and 5 vertices called pentagon. So we will connect this one with this one because this is the pentagon. Now for this one, and we already know that one very much. So this has 3 sides and 3 vertices, and we call it triangle. Then we connect this with this triangle. And then for number 2, they said, tell how many sides and vertices, name each shape. So here, if you look at this one, how many sides? So 4 sides. And how many vertices? So 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. And when we have 4, the shape has 4 vertices and 4 sides, then we call it quadrilateral. So let's see here. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 sides and 5 vertices. Then we call this pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides and 5 vertices. Then we will write down here pentagon. So we will stop here, boys and girls, and we will finish this lesson tomorrow and see you. Then you don't have to do any homework at your book, but you will see some worksheets and a video on Classera and Pearson. Please watch them and practice on them. And when we finish these 2 pages, then you can do your homework on your book. Okay, boys and girls, so enjoy your time. I will see you tomorrow. And do not forget and meet me at the discussion room, boys and girls. I missed you, so meet me, please.